Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start revision of our chapter number 5, that is about acids, bases and salts. In this chapter we will discuss about acid, base, salt and about indicators. Okay, by using some activities. So here, first word is acid. We use in our daily life many substances like lemon, vinegar, tomato, ketchup, all substances, onion, banana, jam. Some you feel these things have different taste. Everything have different taste, and some are sour in taste, some are sweet in taste, some are bitter in taste. Okay, and now the substances, see, this is tomato, this is lemon, and this is orange. All these have what the taste. When we eat these, we use these in our daily life also. When we eat, what we feel? We feel this taste is sour. And which type of, means why this lemon, taste of lemon is sour? क्यों खट्टा होता है ये taste में? Because in these acid is present in each and every substance. Okay, the substances which are sour in taste means some acid is present in that substances are called acids. Okay, means acids are sour in taste. These are the substances which are sour in taste. They are called, their nature is acidic. Okay, so see, acids. What is acid? Acid word derived from Latin word acid. Latin word acid, which means sour. जिसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? खट्टा. ओके, मीन्स इन सभी सब्सटेंसेस में जो हम खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, इनमें कुछ ना कुछ एसिड मिक्स होता है बीच में. इसी वजह से इनका टेस्ट क्या होता है? खट्टा. अंडरस्टूड? सो these substances are acidic in nature, and acid comes from, derived from the Latin word acre, which means sour. Okay, and its chemical nature, according to chemical nature of acid, is known as acidic. Okay, chemical nature of acid is acidic. See this lemon juice. Now tell me, what is the taste of this lemon juice? First we'll discuss about some examples. We take some daily life examples and tell me the taste of these substances. Okay, after that we'll start our topic acid. Okay, means some common acids present in every fruit and vegetables. Okay, so which type of acids are present in tomato, in lemon? Which type of acid is present? So first we discuss that types of acid. Okay, so first is lemon juice. What is the taste of this lemon juice? This is the sour taste. Lemon juice is, taste is sour. Next is orange. Orange juice is also sour in taste. Okay, vinegar. Vinegar we use in our home also. Vinegar is also sour in taste. Curd means dahi, which is also sour in taste. Okay. Next is tamarind, means imli, that is also sour in taste. Okay. Next is amla. Amla is also sour in taste. Right? Grapes. Grapes are also sour in taste. And next is unripe mango. That is also sour in taste. These all are sour in taste. Means some acid is present in this all. So which type of acid is present in juice, in lemon, orange, vinegar, and which type of some basic acids which we use in daily life. Okay, means acid is we know word of acid in human digestive stomach. In our stomach also acid is present that helps in digestion. Okay, word acid not only related to dangerous, because हम सोचते हैं कि एसिड वर्ड आया तो बहुत ही डेंजरस चीज होगी ये एसिड, बट एसिड क्या स्ट्रॉन्ग भी होता है, डाइल्यूट भी होता है. ओके, मीन्स हम जो खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं वो हमारे डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करता है, और हमारे फूड में सभी चीजों में एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, सो which type of acid is present in fruits and vegetable? First we discuss this type. And acids are sour in taste. Okay, acids are sour in taste. Understood? Acids are sour in taste, and acid word derived from Latin word acere, which means sour. So what's the definition of acid? Acids are sour in taste. Now we'll proceed our next topic, that is about acids. Means which type of acids are present in fruits and vegetables. See, first one is in vinegar. In vinegar, which type of acid is present? Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Acetic acid. Okay? Listen these words very carefully because these are new words for you. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Okay? Next is lemon. In lemon, which type of acid is present? Citric acid. Citric acid. Citric acid is present in lemon. Its taste is sour. Okay. Next is in orange. Orange taste is also sour, and in orange also citric acid is present. Okay. And now in curd, which we eat daily. In curd, lactic acid is present. In curd, lactic acid is present. And next is in grapes, in tamarind, imli. Which type of acid is present? Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. Okay. Next is in amla. In amla, which type of acid? Ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. These are some acids, name of some acids which are present in these substances which we use daily, which we eat daily. Okay, and there are also so many examples you can take and make a list and divide in the type of acid, means in which type this substance relate. Okay, in vinegar, which type of acid is present? Acetic acid. In vinegar, acetic acid is present. In lemon, citric acid. Okay, in orange also citric acid. In curd also, in curd lactic acid. Okay, in curd lactic acid. Understood? In grapes and tamarind, there is tartaric acid. Okay. In amla, ascorbic acids. Okay. Now, in ketchup, in this type of tomato ketchup, which type of acid is present? Which acid is present? In which category we take is? In this ketchup, acetic acid is present. Okay. In this ketchup, acetic acid, or you can see all these ingredients. In the ingredients you find some other acid is also present in it. Okay. And in milk and dairy product, in milk and dairy product, tell me which type of acid is present in milk and dairy product. So, which type of acid? Think about. See, in curd, which type of acid? Lactic acid. So, in milk and other dairy product also, lactic acid is present. Lactic acid is also present in milk and other dairy products. Tell me, in jam and jelly, which type of acid is present? In jam and jelly. In jam and jelly, also citric acid is present. In jam and jelly, citric acid is present. And in all citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C, means जिसमें vitamin C ज़्यादा होता है, उनमें ascorbic acid present होता है. Okay? In that fruit which are rich in vitamin C, in that ascorbic acid is present. Okay? Now, in your home there are we use some batteries. Okay? In that batteries there is present sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, one new word is there. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is present in batteries. Sulfuric acid is present in batteries. Okay. Now, these are some acids which are present, which we eat daily. Okay, which are present in these substances. And what are the acids? Means what are these properties? What is essential? Means what are these properties of this acid? Okay. So let us start with the properties of these acids. And one thing, in apple, which type of acid is present? In apple, which type of acid is present? In apple, malic acid is present. And what is its function? What is its function? Means when we eat these substances, these acids are entered in our body with the help of these fruits and vegetables. And what are their functions? What are these properties of acid? Means what are the functions of these acids in our body? Okay. So, first is malic acid, which is present in apple. Malic acid is rich, means malic acid. Malic acid, what is the function of this malic acid? Malic acid increase energy level. Increase energy level. It increases the level of energy in our body. Okay. Next is lactic acid. Why lactic acid is important to it? Because it helps fight with infection and treat and prevent from diarrhea disease. Okay, because it helps and fight with infection. Okay. Next is ascorbic acid, which is rich in vitamin C. This acid is rich in vitamin C. this acid repairs our wounds. Means अगर हमें कहीं चोट लग जाती है तो अपने हमारे टिश्यूज जो होते हैं बॉडी में उनको रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करते हैं एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स in maintaining the bone strength. Okay, this acid is also maintaining the bone strength in our body. Understood? These are some basic acids which we use in our daily life. Okay, in orange, in grapes, everything which we eat. Now we use some soap, detergents in washing clothes. Yes, and also baking soda. Also we use baking soda. What about your thinking about this baking soda? What is the taste of this baking soda? We use in our home also, in cooking. In some things, when we cook some things, then we add baking soda in that particular thing. Now, what is this baking soda? What is the taste of this baking soda? If you take some little amount of baking soda and touch with your tongue like this, oh, don't eat more, then you feel this taste of baking soda is bitter, means kadwa. Okay, means this involved in bases, not in acids. Okay, so bases are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Those substances having bitter taste that are included in bases. For example, soap, detergent, any shampoo we use, but don't taste soap, detergent and any shampoo. Soap and detergent are examples of bases. Bases have bitter in taste, and also bases are soapy to touch. Soapy to touch means when we touch that substance which are included in base, means which are bitter in taste, and we feel when you touch like this, we feel these are soapy in nature. Okay, and chemical nature of these substances are known as basic. Okay, like acidic. So some examples means like acids, some other chemicals included in bases also, means soap. Which type of substance is present? Means which type of chemical is present in soap? So there we take some examples of that type of chemicals which are present in soap, baking soda, washing detergents, in everywhere. So some examples are, first is sodium hydroxide. First is sodium hydroxide. Okay. Second is potassium hydroxide. First is sodium hydroxide. Second is potassium hydroxide. Next is calcium hydroxide. Okay. See carefully. Calcium hydroxide. Okay. Ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate. See one more time, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is present in soap. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide is present in soap. Calcium hydroxide is present in lime water. Okay, and ammonium hydroxide is present in solution we use for our windows. That type of solutions which ammonium hydroxide is present. Next is sodium hydrogen carbonate is present in baking soda. Sodium carbonate is present in washing soda. These are some bases, but in this sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, these two are strong bases. These two are strong bases. Okay, and these are including weak bases. These are strong bases. These are not safe for us in eating because it is very dangerous bases and which can burn our skin also. These are strong bases. These can burn our skin also. And these are weak bases, and in sodium hydrogen carbonate is safe for eating. This is very weak base. Okay. Some examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate. Okay, these two are strong bases and these are weak bases. Strong bases are very dangerous, and also these are also present in caustic soda, and caustic means corrosive, means burning, which can harmful for our skin, which can burn our skin. And these are weak bases, and this is very weak base which we can eat. This is safe for us. Okay, so which is used in cooking as a cooking ingredient also. These are some about base. Now there are so many substances which are some acidic in nature, some are basic in nature. Okay, means some are acid, some are bases. Two words we discuss, acid and bases. So let's revise first these, then I will tell what is acid. Acid is sour in taste, and bases have bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Okay, and you can write some examples also in this question. Questions related to this topic. What is acid? Acids are sour in taste, and these are not soapy to touch. When we touch, these are not soapy to touch. And but these are bases are soapy in nature. When we touch, these are like soapy to touch. Okay. Now one word is next is indicator. Means mostly the substances are acidic nature and basic in nature. Then how can we identify that type of special substances which we can't eat? Okay, means हम सभी substances को टेस्ट करके ये फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते कि that nature is acidic or basic. That special substances, to identify their nature, we use that is called indicator. Okay, some general indicators we'll discuss about now. Some general natural indicators through which we can identify the nature of substances. These substances means we can identify that these substances are acidic in nature, these substances are basic in nature. But how we can identify that type of substances? So in indicator there are three basic natural indicator. Now we will discuss. Okay, so indicator is a dye. Indicator is a dye which tells about the nature of that substance, that is acid or basic. Means this is a dye which changes the color when it is put in acid or basic substance. Means indicator gives different colors in acid and base. When indicator is put in some substance that is acid, it means this is acidic in nature, then its color changes. Okay, then means indicator tells us whether the substance are testing acid in nature or basic in nature by change its color. So we can say this is a dye. Okay. Now some basic natural indicators are, first is litmus paper or litmus solution. We can use litmus paper or litmus solution as indicator. Okay. Next one is turmeric as indicator. Turmeric as indicator. Next one is China rose. These are natural indicators which we use in testing which substance is acid or basic in nature. Okay. So first is about litmus. Litmus is present in the form of paper as well as in the form of solution also. Okay. Litmus paper in our lab also and in market available litmus paper are of two colors. One is blue and other is red litmus paper. Okay. And this litmus paper, in our next lecture, I will tell you how we can make litmus paper in our home and then identify which substance is acid and which is basic in nature. Okay. So first is when litmus is added to an acidic solution, then it turns red, and when litmus is added to basic solution, it turns blue. Like this way we identify which type of base acid, which substance is basic. Means acid turn, how we identify the acid and bases? Through using litmus paper. Acid turns, acid, one property of acid is acid turns blue litmus to red. And what is the basis? Basis turns red litmus to blue. Means what is this? If we take blue litmus paper and we put some lemon drop which is acidic in nature, and that time litmus paper, color of litmus paper that is in blue changes into red color, that is called acid. So lemon is acid in nature, and basis turns red litmus paper when some solution kept on the red litmus paper, if it changes its color into blue, that means that solution is basic in nature. Okay. So in next lecture we'll continue with litmus in detail. We will study about litmus in detail and we learn how we can make litmus paper in your home with the help of rose petals. Okay, rose flower petals, and with help of baking soda, rose flower petals, we check this. Okay, and after that we prepare a litmus paper with the help of turmeric, means haldi. Okay, understood? So one property of acid and base is acid turns blue litmus paper to red color. and basis turns red litmus to blue. So what is the difference between acid and base? So your one question is here ready. What is the difference between, your question related to this topic, difference between acids and bases. Now you can write in your own word about acid and base. Indicators, about natural indicators we'll discuss in next lecture. Okay. So what is acids? Acids are sour in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. Next is, these are not soapy to touch, not soapy to touch, and these are soapy to touch. Next, last one is important. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red, and bases turns red litmus to blue. Understood? In next lecture, we prepare our litmus paper by doing an activity. This is your question, and in fourth step, you can write some examples. So one question is ready for this topic. Okay? Understood? So read about acids and basic very carefully. This is your homework. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye. Stay safe.